November. Wow! Congratulations! I wish you nothing but the best. Good luck and God bless.
Hello po, this is Mikey Bustos, your best friend. Congratulations of course to June and Trini on your wedding and 12 years of being together. I got your invitation and I'm going to try to make it, pero I'm so busy nga eh. But I will just drop in and party crash siguro. Thank you, bye!
Hey guys, congratulations, you guys made it after yung 12 years journey nyo. Finally nagawa nyo na yung kalangitan yung yun. Pero just make sure na you guys stay happy and then of course best wishes. But then again, congrats at nakaka-inspire ang story nyo at sana mangyari yan sa akin. One day, kakasal din ako.
Hello, June and Trini. Gugulat ba kayo? Si Mikey Rodriguez ito. Oh, congratulations and happy wedding. And ngayon pa lang, binabati ko kayo ng many happy wedding anniversaries to come. And alam nyo siguro, no, kung hindi pa, ito ang sikreto para napakarami pang wedding anniversaries at marami pang weddings. Kayong dalawa, long into the future. Isa lang ang sikreto dyan. Simpleng-simple, madaling-madali, klarong-klaro. Huwag nyo silang tatantanan!
June and Trini! Yee! Best wishes! Congratulations and itodo niyang happiness for your wedding. And kakaingit ha, and fair. Stay happy. God bless you both.
Hi June and Trini. I heard you're getting married. Good luck sa inyo. I hope you have 100 babies. So best wishes to you. God bless you.
Wow, finally, kakasal na kayo after 12 years.
Years ang tagal nun, ang tibay nun eh. Congratulations! Saka sana maging happy kayo at marami pang blessings na naman isa. Siyempre, sunod na, di ba? Dapat may baby.
Oo, dapat may baby na, tapos madagdagan pa na madagdagan pa na. Kaya siyempre, blessings. 12 years, after 12 years, siyempre.
Sana maging matibay pa.
Oo nga pala, sorry nga pala, hindi kami makakarating sa wedding nga, sayang kasi may conflict sa schedule.
Pero kaya yung kami anytime.
Well, conflict eh. Siguro sa silver anniversary na.
Silver?
Huwag niyo po kami kalimutan na Aldrin, please sana.
Thank you and congratulations, be happy!
So, sa honeymoon, God bless. God bless.
June and Trini, wow, finally you guys found each other and finally it's the day when you're going to seal the deal. I am so happy for the two of you. May God bless you more and more. I'm so excited with what life awaits you guys and I hope to meet you very soon. Enjoy this wonderful day.
June and Trini, congratulations and best wishes and God bless you guys. Stay in love.
Congratulations, Trini and June! Sana talagang pinagdadasal ko na humaba ang inyong pagsasama. Basta ang nasa gitna nyo parate ay si God. Para kahit na anong mangyari, mapunta man kayo sa taas o sa baba, malakas pa rin ang kapit. Mag-ingat kayo and have a happy time together. Keep the love.
Nako Trini, nako June. Sigurado ko ba yun sa pinapasok nyo yan? Anyway, congratulations. Bad vibes natin sinabi. Ulitin natin. Bad vibes. Ulitin natin. Okay. Bad vibes. I-edit mo na lang. Yes. Trini and June, congratulations! And bilib ako sa courage ninyo. Kasi wala akong ganyang klase ng courage. Yun. Good luck and enjoy your honeymoon.
Hello there, Trini and June.
Yellow.
Congratulations and best wishes. By the way, bawal ang secret affair. Showing na po October 24.
Trini and June, I hope you're making the right decision. But if you are, and I'm sure you are, congratulations and enjoy the rest of your married life. You know, that's a lifetime commitment, so make sure it's the right one.
Trini and June, congratulations, best wishes, naway maging maganda ang inyong pagsasama. At narito ang aking regalo sa Direk Gina.
wishes to both of you. Happy life together.
Trini and John, I just hope you know what you're doing. All I can say is there's no turning back now. And good luck. It's gonna be worth it. I'm sure all the sacrifice that your relationship has gone through is just gonna bloom, and you guys are gonna have a happy family and many, many babies, and you're just going to enjoy a lifetime together, and that's what's important. So congratulations.
Hi June, hi Trini. Congratulations sa inyong wedding. Matagal-tagal din kayong hindi nakita, and finally, eto na, magkasama na kayo. At sana matagal-tagal din kayong magsama dahil mahirap yung nag-aasawa nang hindi nagsasama. Congratulations, and I hope it stays forever.
Hi June and Trini, we just wanna say
Best wishes.
and congratulations.
Mag-sex kayo na mag-sex.
Well,
Ganun talaga pag mag-asawa.
really? I didn't know that.